Let's hope for some good stuff. If it's edible, I'll have to play again. Oh, sweet. An Easter chicken. Remember when these were their own machine a couple years ago? I wish this guy was on his stomach, not his back. Because I want him by the feet. Okay, there you go, it's better. I need to clip it around the arm. Watch me botch this. Clamp. His head is too big. So to those young viewers out there, when you play the claw machine, you need 100% ingredients. Right now, mine aren't on my side. First off, the machine needs to take your money. And if it stabs a milli-inch of the plush, you ain't gonna get a dang thing, folks. Clip him by the feet. Dang it. Just made him worse there, man. I hate these machines, man. I can't just film me going to the thrift store to get toys, because that's boring and I'm gonna lose subs anyways, because all I can do is film vending machines at this point in time. And nobody likes watching that, I can tell. Every time I post a non-claw video, I get like everybody unsubs me and all this other crap. Nobody watches it, but these claw machines are forcing my hand right now. I don't want to, because I'm going to delete this video if I don't win this. Did it fall in? Good, it did. Nice. Stupid. I thought that was gonna fall indefinitely. Thing can't close worth a crap anymore. Stab mania is what I'm gonna start calling this. So far, I've stabbed a toy every grab. Every grab I have stabbed. What do? Do they make these things wet? Stupid. After a fortune, I finally won that.
The tube is done.
Yeah, I know. So are these claw machines. When they go out of business, Heidi, they're gonna wonder why. It's because our vendor has a stick lodged up his back. That's why.
I'll grab it. Yes, could happen.
Oh. No, he's too short. Did you get in your car?
Yep.
It's parked, but I paid for it.
But look, tell me, Dad, you can't win worth a crap in that claw.
I know.
They're losing business. I can tell it now.
Maybe this if you played it just right.
Yeah.
That's it, though.
It would stab indefinitely, though.
I know. You have to get the head. Get the head by itself. What are you gonna do right now? Get the head, Tim. Get that head. There you go. Clamp it.
Okay, good. Got it.
Oh yeah, you did.
You have one more try on me. I won't get it, but I'll go for this. I've already won it before.
Clamp.
Yeah, he's too big. I got these toys right here. I'm at Alice's or whatever where I'm at, and we got new vending machines here. New machines all over, folks. So they got a fidget. Is this Groaning Amusements? I don't know. So I play for the fidget. That was a really crappy angle, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna play for the fidget, and then I'll play for my machine. I don't know who this is. This is Groaning or not. Look at that. My sister loves fidgets. Not. No, I don't get a bit fig. Look at that, it's cool. Can you see that? It's pretty rad. I'm gonna break my rule and I'm gonna play this one too. I got a ring. And now, it's really rude to just leave one machine hanging. The others are all candy, so I'm gonna play this one too. Ooh, this is hard doing this one-handed. I guess I will leave the stickers hanging today. Brown stains. Ha. Sounds weird.